wall art for my kitchen. And I'm going to be using these items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now I've spray painted the frame, and I also painted the this little organizer bin. And then, okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my placemat, and I'm going to put the glass over top of it, and I'm going to figure out what part of the artwork that I want. And then I'm going to outline with the pencil. And then I'm going to cut it out. Okay. Use 2 rolls of diamond wrap, and I'm going to glue all the way around the frame. This is what it looks like after I added the diamond wrap all the way around. The next thing I'm going to do is just put the glass back into the frame. I want to put the placemat in also. Okay, yeah. And then press all the little tabs back down. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my basket and I'm going to glue it using a little bit of the E6000 glue and a little bit of the hot glue to hold it in place temporarily. And I want to make sure I line it up and have the same amount of space on both sides, and I'm going to sit it right in the groove. Right. And I let the basket dry overnight, and I hung it up the next morning, and this is how it turned out. I think it turned out really pretty. And then I added a ivory garland from the Dollar Tree over the top. And then I later decided to add the diamond wrap around the basket also. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And thanks for watching.